Hey guys, my name's John, and today I wanted to show you a new innovation patented by ProPulse, a Schieffer company called Uberflex. A big issue on all pressure washer hoses is hose maintenance. Typically, pressure washer hoses are very stiff, they kink very easily, and look terrible after a single use. The Uberflex hose combats all of these issues with hose maintenance. It's super flexible, durable, and very resistant to kink permanence.
To demonstrate this, we do what we call a pretzel test. This is typically what a regular PVC hose will look like. Right off the bat, you can see that it is tacky and stiff. Now, if we're gonna do the pretzel test on this hose, as you can see, it sticks and it snags. Think of this hose on a reel where the hose is wound up in layers. A tacky hose when under pressure will weld itself together. Now this right here is the Uberflex. Uberflex has a matte textured polyurethane cover with snag resistance. Due to the texture of the cover, the coefficient of friction is greatly reduced, and this allows for Uberflex to handle like an extension cord. It is a lot easier to handle with the ability to wind up very easily. Another selling point of Uberflex is its resistance to kinking and abrasion. If you ever looked at consumer pressure washers, you'll see that the hose is all knotted up with several kinks, where a lot of the braid is exposed. When kinked, the kink stays in the hose. Eventually, you'll start to actually see the corners of the kink and the actual hose itself, exposing the braids, leading to hose failure. Besides these shortcomings, let's face it, the smooth, shiny finish is just terrible to look at and feels really cheap. The Uberflex, on the other hand, has an amazing resistance to kinking. If there's a potential kink, when the hose gets pressurized, the hose bounces back to its original shape. Besides that, the polyurethane cover has up to 10 times more abrasion resistance. It's chemical, ozone, and UV resistant as well.
With a certain volume of hoses, we have a color match technology which can match any color scheme you require. The matte finish makes it look more like rubber, which consumers actually favor and equate to as a more expensive material with better durability. The Uberflex is proudly made here in Peosta, Iowa. That is why, if you're looking for a great upgrade or replacement hose for consumer, residential, or even commercial pressure washers, Uberflex might just be the perfect hose for you.